All right, so here is step 3 to your narrative writing. So after you have gone into the discussion board and you have posted your rough draft and you have um, posted two times or to two students, you have peer edited their papers and you have used these 8 questions. You are then going to take your constructive feedback that you've received from students and you are going to start to write your formal narrative. So from there, you are going to finalize your myth and you are going to start writing your pourquoi, and you are going to submit here to the Dropbox. And as always, there's not an attachment for you to open here because you are creating it from your own Word document. So remember that when you're writing essays or if you need to open a Word document, that type of thing, the Word document's not provided for you. You're just opening that from your computer. So you can do that. So again, remember as you're writing your final narrative, you are writing a story that explains why things are. Myths are often stories that were traditionally created to explain origin of the world, beliefs, systems, practices, and natural occurrences. You have the option to choose anything that you would like, but there are some samples for you here. Why the planets circle the sun, why the skunk has a white stripe, why the sea is salty. So you can choose basically whatever you would like to do. And again, this is the sloth example, and you should have your pre-writing done, you should have your rough draft done, and you should have edited 2 students. And you are now ready to start writing that the final draft of your narrative. The question that I know I'm going to get from everyone is how long does the narrative have to be? I can tell you it needs to be at least 1 full page. I'm not putting a length limit on it, but your narrative itself should be at least 1 full page, at least. So if you have any questions, please let me know. But again, you will be submitting your myth here into the final Dropbox for this assignment. If you have any questions, please feel free to hop into our Class Connects or to my open office hours.